Welcome back to Amazon with Sam, and back to the PPC campaign series. Episode 2. If you watched episode 1, and I hope you did, you should have your first auto campaign running with a $15 daily budget. Don't touch it, just let it run. Today we're going to go deep on the targeting system itself, every single setting, every match type, every secret weapon, so you understand exactly what's happening inside Amazon's algorithm when your ad goes live. Ready? Let's go. Quick 10-second recap. Last episode, you learned where ads appear, the 4 ad types Amazon offers, and how to fill in settings. You set up an auto campaign because Amazon picks the targets for you, and it's the easiest place to start. Now, let me show you what's happening under the hood, and why most sellers leave money on the table here. Here's the first thing nobody told you. When you opened your auto campaign, you picked Set Default Bid. That means Amazon uses one single bid for every search it decides to test. Simple, easy, beginner-friendly. But there's a second option right below it called Set Bids by Targeting Group. Same campaign, same auto, but suddenly you can bid each of 4 different subgroups separately. This is where pros pull ahead of beginners. Let me walk you through each of the 4 subgroups, what they do, and how to bid them. 4 subgroups. Each one targets a totally different type of shopper intent. Close match. Searches that closely match your product. If you sell stainless steel water bottles and someone types stainless steel water bottle, that's close match. Highest intent, highest conversion, loose match, searches loosely related, like BPA-free reusable bottle. Still relevant. Lower intent, lower conversion. Substitutes, your ad shows up on competitor product detail pages, right next to their buy button. You're trying to steal their traffic at the moment of purchase. And compliments, your product appears next to items that get bought together with yours, like camping gear next to a sleeping bag. Cross-sell territory. So how do you actually bid them? Simple logic. Close match converts best, bid highest. Maybe 90 cents to $1.20 on a $20 product. Loose match converts worst, bid lowest, maybe 30 to 50 cents. Substitutes, you're trying to steal traffic, so you need to outbid the competitor's own ads on their page. Bid mid-high, 70 to 90 cents. Compliments is cross-sell, lower urgency. Bid mid-low, 40 to 60 cents. This 4-bid setup means every dollar you spend goes further. You're not overpaying for low-intent traffic. You're not underbidding on high-intent traffic. Set this up tonight if you haven't. Okay, auto's done. Now manual. Manual is your control tool. You're done discovering. You know what works. You want to scale the winners. 2 flavors in manual. Keyword targeting. You pick the specific search terms shoppers type. Product targeting. You pick the specific competitor product pages where your ad shows. Both have their place. Let me show you keyword first. 3 match types. Same keyword. Totally different behavior. Broad match. Widest net. If you bid on water bottle, your ad shows on water bottles, H2O bottle, hydration container, and dozens of variations Amazon decides are related. Lots of impressions, lots of waste too. Phrase match, middle ground. Your keyword shows when it appears with extra words before or after. So best water bottle or water bottle for gym, both trigger. Tighter than broad, an exact match, only the exact phrase. Water bottle triggers only on water bottle. Nothing else. Tightest targeting, highest converting, lowest waste. Here's how you actually deploy them. Broad, use it for discovery inside your manual campaigns. Low bids, let it find new search terms you didn't know about. Then promote winners to exact. Phrase, balanced reach. Use it when you want moderate volume but more relevance than broad. Exact. This is where the profit lives. Your top 10 proven keywords get their own exact campaign with tight bids and tight ACOS control. Most mature accounts have 60 to 70% of their manual budget in exact match performance campaigns. Now the second manual flavor. Product targeting. Instead of bidding on a search term, you bid on a specific competitor product page. 2 modes. Exact ASIN. You paste in one competitor's ASIN. Your ad shows up on that specific product detail page, right next to their buy button. Expanded. Amazon picks products similar to the ASIN you chose. Broader, less precise. Use exact ASIN to attack specific competitors. Use expanded for category-wide hunting. Both work, but there's a rule you need to follow before you start firing. Don't attack everyone. Hunt. Only target competitor ASINs where you have a clear advantage. Your rating is 4.5 stars. Theirs is 3.9 to 4.1. Attack. Your price is $5 lower? Attack. Their photos look like phone selfies, yours look professional? Attack. But the market leader, the brand with 50,000 reviews and a 4.7 star rating, don't go head to head. You'll burn budget and you'll lose. PPC is war, and in war you pick your battles. Here's the secret. Self-targeting. You create a product targeting campaign, you pick expanded, and you paste in your own ASIN. Your own. Amazon takes that ASIN, looks at every product its algorithm considers similar, competitors, adjacent categories, complementary products, and shows your ad on all of them. You inherit Amazon's similarity graph for free. I ran this on a client account last month, 30 sales in 3 to 4 days. From one campaign, set this up this week, low bids, let it run a week, then look at the data, you'll be shocked. 3 actions, don't skip. Step 1, go into your auto campaign right now and switch from default bid to by targeting group. Set close match highest, lose match lowest like we discussed. Step 2, create a new manual campaign. Exact match, your top 3 keywords, tied bids. Step 3, self-targeting. Product targeting, expanded, your own ASIN, low bids, let all 3 run for 7 days, don't touch them. Then in episode 3, we'll meet back here and I'll walk you through bidding strategies and placement modifiers. Next episode, episode 3, we're going inside the bidding mechanics. The 3 bidding strategies Amazon offers, dynamic up and down, down only, fixed, and exactly when to use each one. Placement modifiers, and I'm going to make the case that placements are more important than the bid itself, with real numbers, and we'll cover the audiences modifier, a setting that drove 60% of sales in one campaign I ran for a client. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Look, if any of this helped, I put 2 things in the description below. Both are free or save you money on the tools I use every single day. The first is a free 30-minute audit of your account. No commitment, no sales pitch. And the second is my exclusive Helium 10 discount link. Check them out.